So first of all, just come to Google, and then what you need to do is go to the top right and go and click on your profile picture just like this. Once you've done that, you'll then see the option for manage your Google account. Go and click there. Then you'll be taken to the sort of Google account settings, and all you need to do is go to the top and scroll along this carousel of options and click on security. If you're on a computer, those same settings will be on the left hand side, so go and click on security there. And then all you need to do is go and scroll down until you go and see how you sign into Google. And you'll go and see password, and you'll go and see when it was last changed. So go and click there like so, and it'll take a moment. And then what you can do is go and enter your new password and confirm it. So all you need to do is go and click on the box and type in your new password. Google says your password needs to be at least 8 characters. After you've entered your new password and confirmed it, go to the bottom and then click on change password, like so, and you'll need to go and confirm that you'll stay signed into these devices. That's fine. It will say changing password, and just like that, your password has now been changed. It's that simple. If you found this guide useful, then please leave a like.